A move by two French doctors suggesting testing of Covid-19 vaccine in Africa has iked hundreds of Africans the wrong way, with many openly stating Africans are not guinea pigs or lab rats. My name is Lynn Gogi. Let's get started. Racism tensions are high all over the world after two French doctors openly suggesting testing of a possible Covid-19 vaccine in Africa, saying Africa as a continent has no masks, no intensive care unit. In short, Africa as a continent is unable to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. How ironical, given that Africa has the least number of coronavirus cases. The French doctors identified as Jean-Paul Mira, head of intensive care unit at the Cogin Hospital in Paris, and Camille Locht, research director at France National Health Institute, made the comments while appearing for an interview on LCI, a French television-based network. But as expected, many Africans did not take this suggestion lightly, with many of them storming in all social media platforms to call out the doctors, and this is what some had to say. Former Chelsea player Didier Drogba said, "It is totally inconceivable we keep on cautioning this. Africa isn't a testing lab. I would like to vividly denounce those demeaning, false, and most of all, deeply racist words. Help us save Africa with the current ongoing COVID-19 and flatten the curve." Our very own Senator Moses Wetangula said, "The epicenter of COVID-19 is China, Italy, Spain, France, US. Clinical trials on its possible cure must start there and not in any African country. African leaders must resist any attempt to use our people as guinea pigs. Resist, resist, resist." And finally, Alex said, "There is only one language these people understand: money. The only way these people will ever care about Africans is if they need them for something. Africa needs to take back control of its resources and economic power and leverage that against Europe, America, and China." A bit of harsh remarks right there, but it's also very funny to see that some Africans openly agreed that should our leaders receive money from European nations, they are going to sell us out and let us be used as guinea pigs for the COVID-19 vaccine. And this is what some had to say. Richard Manyala said, "It's painful that our leaders will approve the trials on the basis of aids, loans, grants, debts being waived, among other goodies, and the legislative arms will remain silent." Raban Ginyuka said, "Very likely the average African leaders care less about the life of an ordinary person on the continent and would not resist any amount of money to allow Europeans to use Africans as guinea pigs to test their vaccines, including these ones." Well, it appears Africans had all the time in the world to call out their leaders, and I would love to get your opinion on this. Do you think African leaders are greedy, and should a chance represent itself for a COVID-19 vaccine to be tested on Africans? They are likely to say, yes, of course. And were the French doctors right to suggest that COVID-19 vaccine be tested on Africans? Leave us your thoughts on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. My name is Lynn Gugi. Till next time, bye-bye.